Good evening. The election for the next president of India is now virtually over. The Shiv Sena today fell in line with the BJP, with Uddhav Thackeray announcing they will back the NDA candidate Mr. Kovind for president. This a day after he said he wasn't for Dalit vote bank politics. With Mr. Thackeray's announcement, the numbers for Mr. Kovind are now over 60%. This includes non-BJP allies like Naveen Patnaik. And there is a possibility these numbers could rise because some opposition parties like the Bahujan Samaj Party could also back Mr. Kovind unless the opposition fields a Dalit candidate. And Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal United will meet tomorrow on a decision, though again he has already praised Mr. Kovind, the ex-Bihar governor, and his choice, though he says he hasn't decided officially yet. For the opposition alliance, currently the numbers are just around 35%, and it could be less if there is a split in the opposition. As of now, the left has said that the opposition will field a candidate because they say it's a battle of ideology, not numbers.
अमित शहाजी स्वतः इकडे आले होते आणि त्यावेळेला त्यांनी एक अपेक्षा व्यक्त केली शिवसेनेला सोबत राहण्यासाठी त्यांनी विनंती केली की हम सब साथ में रहेंगे आणि त्यावेळेला मी त्यांना सांगितलं होतं की बाबा राष्ट्रपती पदासाठी ज्या व्यक्तीचं नाव आपण ठरवाल ते नाव आम्हाला कळवा ते कळवल्यानंतर मला शिवसेना नेत्यांची बैठक घ्यावी लागेल त्या बैठकीमध्ये चर्चा करून आम्ही आमचा निर्णय घेऊ काल त्यांनी नाव ठरवल्यानंतर स्वतः मला फोन केला त्यांनी स्वतः मला नाव सांगितलं
A divided opposition seems all set to force an election and the key players are likely to be the left and the Congress.
You will definitely be putting up a candidate.
We are of that view. The contest for president post in fact has become a battle of ideologies.
While a final decision is expected at the opposition meeting on Thursday, the left says they're willing to back the former UPA Union Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde or former Lok Sabha Speaker Meera Kumar, a choice that Dalit leaders in the BJP dismiss.
हम एक ऐसा दलित उतार रहे हैं जो दलित से निकल कर आया है वो एक ऐसा दलित उतार रहे हैं जो परिवारवाद से निकल कर आया है
But ahead of that opposition meeting, in a bid to cement the cracks among its own allies, the Congress's Ghulam Nabi Azad has rushed to Patna. He is expected to hold talks with both the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and his alliance partner Lalu Yadav, who it seems are divided over the BJP's choice. While Lalu is keen on a contest, Nitish Kumar has openly praised Ramnath Kovind, and sources close to him say he believes there are no grounds to object to Mr. Kovind. But the BJP and its allies are confident of breaking the opposition ranks with what is being seen as the Prime Minister Modi's masterstroke.
नीतीश कुमार जी से हम अपील करेंगे, आग्रह करेंगे कि आपने प्रशंसा किया है तो उनको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए.
By selecting a Dalit candidate, the BJP has not only taken the wind out of the opposition's sail, but seems to have taken a significant step towards recasting itself.
आज सिद्ध हो गया है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी देश में सबसे ज्यादा हितैषी है तो दलितों की हितैषी.
The man at the center of it all, Ramnath Kovind, had a steady stream of visitors at Bihar Sadan in New Delhi. With Sunita Chaudhary, Sunil Prabhu for NDTV.